there you are. Today I want to talk about self-tanning in the mature woman. Once you reach the age of 50, skin changes happen. And the biggest one is probably age spots. If you are a sun worshiper or former sun worshiper like myself, wise guy, I'm starting to see the effects now. Whenever you put self-tanner on, anything that's, imperfection in your skin, your self-tanner doesn't know. It tans everything. It makes everything darker, even the spots that are already dark that you really didn't want darker. But there is a way to self-tan or look tan without that effect. Now, on this side of my face, I used a regular self-tanner about 20 minutes ago. And if you look closely, you can see that the spots, these are normally not quite that dark, but the self-tanner would bring them out. So normally I would self-tan and then cover that up with concealer and then put my foundation on. But the problem is, I really don't want to do that if I don't have to. In the summertime, we sweat, the makeup starts to run, or we wipe it off our face. So that's why self-tanner has always been a good option for me until now. But, do not despair. I have a solution. The first solution I have is the Laura Geller Baked Body Frosting. This is one I've had for a while. It's a big one. It's quite a large compact. It's a powder. It is, I think I paid about $40 for this, but I've been using this for at least 2 years and I've got a ton of use left out of it. So yeah, because of that, I think it's worth the cost. So usually I'll put this on all over, and it may be difficult to tell in this light, but this is giving me really good color. Once it's on, it stays. I mean, if you want to put it on your arms and your legs, it's not a problem. It covers everything nicely, and the water is waterproof, so water doesn't affect it. I mean, you could take a shower as long as you don't, put soap and water on your legs. It'll stay for 3-4 days, giving you really fantastic color. So this would be the first item I would say would be the thing to use. It gives you good coverage too. Yeah, I like this color. I think she's got several different colors in this. So the next option I wanted to talk about was Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs. You've probably seen this or heard of this before. This has been around for a long time. And let me tell you, this stuff is dynamite. This makes you look like you've been to the beach, for a week. And you've got beautiful brown color. Same thing, waterproof. Does not wash off until you're ready to wash it off with soap and water. Your legs look amazing. Not that I need to worry about that lately. The only man that's interested in my legs is Colonel Sanders. However, I digress. So yeah, this is a great one if you want to get your legs tanned, your arms, but there's one downfall to this one. It's a spray. And because it's a spray, it goes all over. Sometimes I put it on one time and I made a terrible mess in the bathroom. I would suggest if you're going to use this, go outside because, man, it can really make a mess in your bathroom. So spray it on, then use your hands. A glove would be nice if you have a glove. If not, just use your hands because it does wash off with soap. And smooth it all around till it's even on your legs. Do a little on your feet. This is not like self-tanner. You can put it on your toes, put it on your ankles, and it's not going to look funny like self-tanner does. So yeah, that's my recommendation for you. So try those two things. Let me know what you think. Leave a message in the comments section below. Share this with somebody who could use the advice. Subscribe, of course, always, and give me a thumbs up. Hey, also, I've left a couple links below. If you'd like to go pick up these products on Amazon, there's an affiliate link below that I get a tiny commission. I mean tiny. I mean, if you spend $10, I'll get 40 cents, but it'll make it easier for you. Just click on the link. You can grab both of those products. So thanks a lot. It was good to see you. Be love. Bye-bye.